Basics of C++. C++ is a statistically typed, compiled, general-purpose, case-sensitive, free-form programming language that supports procedural, object-oriented, and generic programming. C++ is regarded as a middle-level language as it comprises a combination of both high-level and low-level language features. C++ was developed by Bjarne Trostrup starting in 1979 at Bell Labs in Murray Hill, New Jersey, as an enhancement to the C language and originally named C with classes, but later it was renamed C++ in 1983. C++ is a superset of C, and that virtually any legal C program is a legal C++ program. The ANSI standard is an attempt to ensure that C++ is portable, that code you write for Microsoft's compiler will compile without errors using a compiler on a Mac, Unix, a Windows box, or an Alpha. The ANSI standard has been stable for a while, and all the major C++ compiler manufacturers support the ANSI standard.